Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip snowball cookies. Okay, the ingredients for this one is pretty simple. The original recipe makes 4 dozen cookies, so I'm cutting everything in half because I don't want that many. I'm going to make 2 dozen. So what you need is, for the 2 dozen, a half a cup of butter softened, a fourth a cup of powdered sugar, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/8 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of the mini chocolate chips, and then additional powdered sugar for rolling. So the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 375 and line 2 cookie sheets with parchment paper. Okay, so our next step is go ahead and add your butter, your powdered sugar, and your vanilla extract, and we are just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it is light and fluffy. Okay, that looks good. So next we are going to add in our flour and our salt, and we're going to mix it until the dough comes together. Just so you know, that does take a while. Okay, next you want to just go ahead and fold in your mini chocolate chips. And then if your dough is too sticky at this time, you can chill it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Mine isn't, so I'm just going to go ahead on to the next step. You just want to scoop out 1 tablespoon full balls and roll them around and place them on your cookie sheets. Okay, I was actually able to fit all of mine onto 1 cookie sheet. So next I am just going to go ahead and put that in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, I just pulled those out of the oven. Sorry about that, pan. And they look really good. They're a little browned on the bottom, as you can see. But as soon as you can cool these off where you can handle them, you want to roll them in your powdered sugar. And then if you want to get through one and then go ahead and start a second round of rolling, you can do that too. Okay, these are ready to go. I did mine twice. You just want to make sure you go ahead and roll those before they cool down, because they the powdered sugar isn't going to stick, obviously. So we're going to have taste tester have a little taste. I got one on a little plate for him. Hi, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste. Go ahead.
Yeah, no.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.